With just 66 shorts, this channel has gained over 40,000 subscribers with millions of views. And the craziest part is that it joined YouTube just 2 months back. Just look at the views they are getting on each of their shorts. Millions, 14 million, around 9 million, 7 million and so on. Looks like even one video like this is enough to monetize your channel. I was shocked when I checked their analytics to see that they have attained 13,000 subscribers and 15 million views in just last 30 days. And the earning is between around 4,000 and 61,000 US dollars per month. And seriously guys, making these types of videos is way easier than you think. I have made 4 master prompts using which you can make these amazing shorts. Follow the video till end not to miss any step. And I will surely share that master prompt with you so you can try yourself. Just comment prompt and I will send you the prompt. When we open our prompt sheet, we will see the first channel analysis prompt. Simply copy the entire prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. Now we will head to the YouTube channel that we will take as reference. Take a screenshot of the channel homepage. It should include channel name along with the subscriber count and videos. Now attach screenshot into ChatGPT so that it can properly analyze channel. Click next. ChatGPT will start analyzing screenshot uploaded and tell you whether this type of content can be recreated using AI or not. We can see that the answer is yes. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us some topic ideas to create videos on. For that, go back to the prompt sheet and copy second prompt, the topic generation. This prompt will get us 10 topic ideas, and if you want more, just change the number, your choice. We have 10 topics to choose from, just select which topic you want to make short. Let's say we will do on first topic, cavity decay. Now go to prompt sheet to copy our third prompt, image prompt generation, and paste it in ChatGPT. Here we must copy the topic name from the list and paste it in prompt's topic area. And enter number of steps you want to create. For this demo, I will choose 7. Click Generate. You can always decrease or increase this number accordingly. Remember, every step will give you about 6 seconds of clip, so 7 steps mean 42 seconds of video. We can see that ChatGPT has given 7 image generation prompts. Now it's time to generate 7 images. To create our first image, search for Flow AI, open it and log in. Select Create with Flow and click New Project. Copy the first prompt and paste it here. Before generating, click Settings. Make sure image is selected. Aspiration ratio is 9:16. Nano Banana Pro is selected and number of images is selected to 4. We can see that image generation is free and 0 credits are used. Now click Generate. We will get 4 images to choose from. Select any image which you like and download. We will use this image as reference to generate remaining images. We need to get consistent image. For that reason, we will go to Gemini, which is known for its image generation capabilities. Upload the first image which we downloaded. Before pasting second prompt, enter use uploaded image as reference to generate image. Now paste second prompt and enter. In seconds, we will get our second image which resembles our first image style. Download it. We will use this as base reference image to generate third image. Upload second image to Gemini before pasting third prompt. Enter. Use uploaded image as reference to generate image. Paste third prompt and enter. We must repeat the same process for all remaining images as well. Once all images are generated, download them all to generate videos from them. To generate videos, we need transition prompts. And to get that, go to prompt sheet, copy prompt 4 and paste in ChatGPT. Before clicking generate, we must include the number of images which we have created. In our scenario, it's 7. we will get 6 transition prompts. Don't be confused, every prompt uses 2 images per prompt, so these 6 prompts use 7 images, and we will see in detail in coming steps. Copy the first transition prompt. Go back to Flow. Now drag all the 7 images which were generated and downloaded into the Flow. Now select Start and select Image 1. Then click on End to select Image 2. Before pasting prompt, click Settings. Select Video. Make sure aspiration ratio is 9:16 and select 1 video generation. Make sure you select VO 3.1 fast. It's cheaper when compared to quality. Here every generation costs 20 credits. So we cannot waste credits as we will have only 150 credits per day. Once images are selected, paste the first transition prompt and click Generate. After a while, we will get our first video clip. To generate second transition video, click Start to select Image 2 and click End to select Image 3. Now copy and paste transition prompt 2. Click Generate. In the same way, we need to generate all 6 prompts using all 7 images. Once transition videos are generated, download all so that we can edit them using editing tools such as Canva or CapCut. Today we will use Canva. It's free to use with limitations. Go to Canva and log in. Click Create to select Design. As we are creating YouTube Shorts, we will select Videos and select YouTube Shorts. Now we need to drag all the video clips which we downloaded into Canva. Drag all the videos one by one in same sequence. Add transitions between videos for smooth flow. You can add your logo to hide the watermark. Or you may adjust the clip so that watermark is out visual area. Check the video transition. If needed, adjust video duration. When you are satisfied, download the video in high definition quality. That's it. The video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube and get views and make money. Just comment prompt and I will send you one. If you like the video, let me know your thoughts in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.